Historical data in MetaTrader 4 is the past price information used to build charts, review previous market movement, and test trading ideas over earlier periods. In MT4, this data is managed through the History Center. This is where the platform stores historical price records for different symbols and timeframes. It can be accessed from the Tools menu by selecting History Center or by using the F2 shortcut. Once the History Center is open, the symbol can be selected from the list. This might be a forex pair, commodity, index, or another instrument available through the trading account. From there, the relevant time frame can be opened, such as 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, or daily. The download option is used to load additional historical data where it is available. This can help extend the amount of price history shown on the platform, especially if the chart does not currently display enough past data for analysis. This is useful because historical data gives traders more context. A short section of recent price action may show the current move, but a deeper history can reveal previous support and resistance areas, past volatility, major turning points, and how the market behaved under similar conditions. Historical data can also be useful when working with expert advisors or reviewing strategy behaviour. A strategy test needs enough past price information to produce a more meaningful result. If the data is limited, the test may not reflect a broad enough range of market conditions. It is important to understand that MT4 historical data can vary depending on the source. Data downloaded through the platform may not always match the exact historical data stored on a broker's trade server. Differences can appear because of pricing feeds, server time zones, available history, or how the data is processed. For this reason, historical data should be treated as a reference for analysis, not as a perfect record of every possible market condition. Before relying on it for testing or detailed review, traders should make sure the correct symbol, timeframe, and data range are being used. MT4 also allows historical data to be exported, which can be useful if the information needs to be reviewed outside the platform in a spreadsheet or another analysis tool. The key point is that downloading historical data on MetaTrader 4 helps create a deeper chart history and a more complete basis for analysis. It gives traders more price context, supports better chart review, and can improve the quality of strategy testing when used carefully.